Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am bringing you a video of a really fun holiday catalog card swap that we did several weeks back, and quite honestly I completely forgot to record this video, so it's coming to you a little bit late. But if you're familiar with the Stampin' Up! Catalog, or even if you're not a Stampin' Up! Customer, if you'd just like to see some really cool, fun holiday cards, I've got some for you. So stick with me. I'm going to give you some samples of 7 beautiful holiday cards, including Halloween and Christmas and seasonal. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let me show you some of the fun things that we did recently in our little Stampin' Up! Group. Hi guys! Once again, it is Larry from LarrisLivinLite, and today I am bringing to you a reveal of some really beautiful and fun greeting cards that were made in a recent card swap amongst a bunch of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. So you don't have to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator to get some great inspiration and ideas from these cards, and you don't even have to be a customer. Just take a look, see what we've put together, and if you'd like, go ahead and maybe copy some of these ideas. What we have here is the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog, and this was our inspiration for our card swap. So I'm going to start with our first card, and here it is. Check this out. Oh, good. Look at that. So this is really amazing in person. Sometimes these don't come off so good on camera, but this is beautiful. This card was submitted by Charlene, and it is just stunning. There are some, I don't know if you call them metallic threads in here. There is the metallic chicken wire in the background, and this designer series paper has a little bit of a sheen to it, which again, that's kind of not coming off so great on camera, but it's just stunning and really pretty in person. This is the First Frost, let me say that again, First Frost stamping set from Stampin' Up! And look at this font, so pretty. And this is the framelits that come with it. Look how pretty. She's got 2 layers there. And then these are the flower stamps and framelits that she has die cut and lifted up with dimensionals, along with these little green ones here. All of those framelits come with the bundle. Really pretty, put on a really nice, I think that's crumb cake cardstock. Just gorgeous. And then the best part is you open it up, and she didn't stop with just the cover. Look how pretty the inside is. Really pretty, beautiful sentiment. Here's to a season filled with warmth, comfort, and good cheer. And look how stunning this is. Just a really pretty card. She did a great job. Love it. Okay, next card. Okay guys, hold on to your seat, because this is a showstopper. The cover is beautiful. She used the buffalo check background stamp, and that is just gorgeous. I love the little witch's hat. Bubble, toil and trouble. And look how cute that is. It's just so tiny, and it's so cute. It's popped up on dimensional. It's got a little scalloped oval. It's got a stitched oval. Really cute. This is the Cauldron and Bubble stamp set that the sentiment has come from. This is the designer series paper that it came from. Just so cute. And I forgot to mention, this card is from Lori. And look at that. So cute. But wait till you open it up. You guys ready for this? Seriously. Look at that. See how it moves? It is 3D. It's all popped up, and look at that movement. Is so cute. Look at the little ghost. He looks like he's moving. The bat, that's like the black, I think that's called black foil paper. she cut the bat out of. Look at her little witch, the little froggy, the cauldron, the cat. Happy Halloween. Just stunning. So stinking cute. I love these kind of cards. Lori, you did a magnificent job. Thank you so much. Who wouldn't want to copy this card? Gorgeous. Super fun. Okay guys, this next card is from Joe Agnes, and this is just adorable. Look at him, he's so cute. And it's a shaker card. Can you see him moving around? Look at all those little sequins in there. It's beautiful. Oh, I just love him, and he's got the little pearls for eyes. He's so cute. And there is, oh, it looks like the shimmer mist spray on the sentiment, which I don't know if that'll come across on camera either, but just this little sentiment card has been sprayed with that. Some beautiful ribbon, wishing you a season filled with beauty and joy, has been embossed on there with white embossing powder, and then it looks like an overspray of the shimmer mist paint. Oh, so stunning. Beautiful. I love that shaker card. Wow. And then you open it up and we've got more sequins, happiest Christmas wishes, and the little die cuts over here. Just stunning. And this is the Still Night stamp bundle from Stampin' Up. Just stunning. Love, love, love that. Thank you so much, Jo Agnes. That's beautiful. Our next card here is from Anita. And look how cute he is. It's a little puppy trick-or-treater. So it looks like she stamped him and then colored him in with some Stampin' blends. So cute. And then she's got some embossed papers. I think that's Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Cajun Craze. I think that's what that is. Scare up a little fun with some beautiful black ribbon and some pretty rhinestones. Oh, that's so cute. And the doily. The doily is, it's kind of a frosted white type of a color. So stinking cute. And this stamp is from the Trick or Tweet stamp set from Stampin' Up. All these tongue twisters. I'm having a terrible time. And let's see the inside. Oh, Trick or Tweet. Look at that. How cute. Some more paper with the embossing on it and the little birdie just up like a ghost. Super sweet. Beautiful card. Thank you so much, Anita. That is just gorgeous. It's so sweet. Okay, our next card is from Cheryl. And look at this. Look at the sparkle. Just stunning. So this is part of the, it's called Cauldron Bubble, is the stamp set, which looks like she stamped here on the maybe smoky slate or basic gray, colored it in and added all that sparkle. I'm not sure if that is glitter. Look, I think that's glitter. And then these are the little embellishments in green. She's got a popped up on dimensional ghost, a designer series paper with a witch. That's part of the Toil and Trouble, I believe, designer series paper. Bubble Bubble Toil and Trouble. And there's some cutout die cuts here for the stars. It's just beautiful. And then look at that little half fold. Super, super, super cute. Love that sparkle. Thank you, Cheryl. It's gorgeous. Our next card is from Meredith, and this is just the cutest thing ever. How adorable. I believe this paper is from the Festive Farmhouse, designer series paper pack, and the ribbon is as well. Look at that burlap, and it's got white and red in it. How cute is that? And then check out this card. Look how she's got it. So it started out, let me start over. So it starts like this. Look how that circle is cut out. And look at this. It's a trifold. How beautiful is that? Thoughts of happiness and joy to you and yours. And look at that cute little inside stamp set. That's so cute. But very farmhouse style. Very, very cute. Adorable. Thank you, Meredith. I think this is stunning, and it's just gorgeous. Very, very on trend. Super cool. Thank you, dear. And our last card here is from me. This is from Larry of LarrisLivinLite. And I'm sorry, I'm biased, but I think it's pretty stinking cute. And I can give you a full rundown on this one because clearly I made it. I know exactly how it was done. But I think it's pretty cool. So I started out with the Poppy Parade cardstock, and if you can see in the background, it's got the ho 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 stamp all the way around in the background, all those words. This is part of the Candy Cane Season bundle. So I stamped all of that in the background, then I added in the green and I put the candy canes on there, which I thought was really fun. This is the Garden Green, which I stamped with also the coordinating garden green stamp pad, and these super cute little candy canes, which I love, love, love. And then I have the scalloped square frame that I die cut, along with a regular square that I die cut. And then I don't know if you can see this in the camera. I can't really see it, but I did some snowflakes back here, and I embossed them in white on the white, so it's kind of a subtle, it's like the tone on tone, but they're embossed in white sparkle. Then I have this die cut candy cane. I also have the die cut bow, all stamped in the Poppy Parade, and the candy cane is popped up on dimensionals. The bow is just straight on the candy cane. I also embossed in white this "'Tis the Sweet Season," and then used the tag to punch that out and make the cute little flower corner. And I don't think I put anything inside. Nope. So the inside is still blank, which I would probably put a white sheet in here to put my actual greeting. But I thought that was super cute. I just love these candy canes, especially these background ones. The ho 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 stamp is super adorable. I like the tone on tone with the Poppy Parade and the garden green and the white. There's a lot going on here, so I wanted to keep it, you know, not too crazy, so I did the tone on tone with several different colors. I think it turned out really cute. So what do you think, guys? That's all of our cards today for our card swap. So again, this was a Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog card swap. And again, you don't have to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator or even a customer to get some great fun and inspiration out of all of these cards. Let me bring them all out for you for another look. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up. There will be some names and contact information in the descriptions if you would like to follow some blogs or reach anybody for comments or questions, or if you'd like to case a card and you have some even recommendations or anything that you have, please join us and support us in our efforts and give some thanks out to the ladies who participated in the swap, because I think they did a beautiful job. Thank you guys for being here. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And I thank you so much for being here. Remember, please always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you soon.